Hello everybody and welcome back to the Name is Jake channel. And today I've got my fingers crossed throughout the whole of this, but I'm going to be building my new gaming computer. You can see some of the other parts stuck on the side. So the case is a Lian TU150 ITX case, basically the smallest case that isn't a pain to do stuff in and can fit the graphics card, which is what half of this build is themed around, which is the Zotac Amp Extreme. These are the problems. I don't know if this will fit in this. So, we haven't actually ordered a full computer yet. What we've got, also from Overclockers, because that's where I got this case from, because it's like the only place I had it in stock. Some Cryonaut paste, which came in a separate bag with some Haribos, which I have promptly eaten. We also have, ordered from eBuyer, these. An i7 9700K. I was going to get the 9600K, but in some of the reviews I watched, there's weird stuttering issues. And if you think my normal computer at the minute is a 97, no it isn't, it's a 4790K. So, that's 4 cores, 8 threads. This is 8 cores, 8 threads, so the threads will be the same, at least, if nothing else. And I got this. Now, basically I need this, and the graphics card to make sure that everything fits properly. The reason I bought this is because if you buy them from the same place, and you get an ASUS, you can get an £80 cash back. Now, I was going to get a gigabyte motherboard, because I was just going off of price more than anything, because I'm not made of money at the moment, but I need a new computer. Instead of getting the gigabyte board and an i7, whether it was 9600 or 9700, if I got this, which is maybe only £30 more than the Horus, I then get £80 cash back, so overall this works out cheaper. And my previous board was an ASUS Maximus, so I know how the BIOS and everything works, which is nice. But yes, that's everything I have for now. I'm going to take it downstairs. I've got my new phone to take with it, and fingers crossed things will look good. It has been, like, the box has been impacted from the back, so I'm slightly concerned that the processor may be damaged. eBay, ladies and gentlemen. But yes, we shall cross and hope our fucking fingers to death. But yeah, see you in a moment, if I'm crying or not.